To model a reinforced concrete building, after defining the stories and structural axes, it's time to define the dimensions of the structural components. To set the thickness of 2D structures, from the text menu, select Geometry, Properties, Thickness. The FE Thickness dialog displays. From here, you can assign thickness to planar elements of the structure. Select New Thickness Definition. This displays the New Thickness dialog. By default, a new thickness is assigned a label and color. In this instance, thickness for floor slabs will be defined. With constant selected, in the thickness field, enter 250 millimeters. Expand the material dropdown and select C35. Click Add. Next, define a new thickness for walls. Simply update the thickness field to 200 millimeters and then click Add. Click Close. In the FE Thickness dialog, the Active List field updates. Close this dialog. Defining new thicknesses of planar elements is an easy process.